Hello, I'm Simon. Welcome back to the workshop. In this video I'm going to be making a sanding station which will utilise the dog holes in my MFT style worktop on my workbench. Let's get tinkering. So this is going to be a really short video. I'm going to be utilising the side of one of the wall cabinets that I took off earlier in the year as the base for my sanding station. I'm also going to be using some of the plastic dogs that I originally designed for my WorkMATE clamp buddy system. Whilst I've 3D printed these dogs, they could be made out of aluminium or steel stock that you've got available, or even out of some hardwood doweling. I've decided to 3D print them because I already had the design and I don't have any aluminium stock or hardwood doweling that's the right size. By far the hardest part of this project is going to be fixing the dogs to the underside of this board so that they line up with the dog holes in the MFT worktop. And the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to clamp the board down to the workbench and then screw the dogs onto the board from the underneath. I'm going to start by adding some weights and then I'll add some clamps to hold the whole thing secure. Of course, what I've forgotten to do is to remove the dog plugs. So let's just redo that. Whilst I'm struggling underneath the workbench, if you're enjoying this, then why not click the subscribe button? Well, that's the hard part done. With the dog holes now all in the right place, you can see that I tested it a few times just to make sure that it would go in and come out easily enough, because I don't want it to get stuck in there and have to clamber underneath the workbench to push it out. So this board's going to have 80, 120 and 220 grit sandpaper on it. I'll make another board with 320 and 400 grit on it, but you don't need to see that. It's just more of me clambering around underneath the workbench. So now all I need to do is to glue these onto the board. And whilst I could use double-sided tape and it would be easier to get off and replace, I've found that if I use spray adhesive then the sandpaper is fixed much better and it lasts a lot longer. The glue should dry pretty instantly, but I sandwich it between another board and leave it for a few minutes just in case. So this sanding station utilises the full weight of the workbench, and that makes sanding a lot quicker, just like this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.